Ayoko nga. Mamaya.
Mamaya ka na.
Tignan mo.
Go, baby, go.
Wala pa si Aga.
Yeah.
Okay, kita mo head up.
Wow,
My
very
head is up. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, I told you, look at me. Head up. Dito ka kaya ko nga. My head is up.
Ito na, oh.
Dito kaya.
Anak, saan ka ba, anak?
Eh?
Mamalis.
Ay! Inap na, inap na. Babalik na ang pata.
Inap na, baby. Inap na yan na, babo. Ina yan na maganda.
Hindi maganda, pangit.
Yan, magapang na. Uy, wala naman nakakain.
Bumabalik na nga eh. Kaya ihi.
Go, baby, you can do it. Make mama proud.
Babalik na.
Make your mama proud, baby. Come on, come on. You can do it. Wow, you're crawling at 3 months. Wow, what a genius baby.
Na nakakaikot na oh.
Anak, very good.
Nakakatulak na.
Oops, go.
Ano nangyari, Bi? Ano nangyari?
Wow. Make your mama proud. And your dada.
Ano po yun?
Pagod na.
Dito. Ayan si Aga oh.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, we're crawling. I'm learning how to crawl as early as 3 months. Actually, almost 3 months. In 2 days. My palangga, so cutie. Hello, Daddy. Hi, people of the friends. Ay! Ayun na lang. Yan yung kulay-kulay. Enough na. Tama na niya. Nagalit na. Aga, don't sit at baby dirty. Yan na yun. Enough na, enough na! Enough na, nahihirapan na. Oh. Ano, saan tayo punta? Enough na, Ding.